Hello everyone, my name is Satyam Pawar. So in our last two videos, we understand how to create RAML and what is the URI parameter, query parameter. So these basic things we done. Now today we are going to learn about how to share mocking endpoint of a RAML. So whenever in your project, whenever there is a requirement from client to validate your RAML, how to share that mocking endpoint. So for that one, you just have to go here, mocking service configuration. There is a button, make a public. That button, just enable that button. You will get a public link from it. This will be your base path. This kind of base path of your RAML. Pass this base path and then provide your resources here. Like my accounts is one of the resource. So let's say put documentation. We see here there are three methods. So let's start with the post one. The accounts is my resource. Method is post and the copy the sample request here. Body raw then JSON. Pass it, should give you a response as a account created successfully. Do not. So this is your post request tested. Let's test next method. Is a get method with there are query parameters. Let's copy this. Same path will be there, but method will be get and we have to pass query parameters here. Let's copy that query parameters. First one is IPC code. Pass any value for this IPC code and next one is account number for the time being. Send request. Get the account details. Then next is there is the documentation. Get account number with the URL parameter. Same URL is there. It's like this. URL is same. But this same only we have to pass account number as the URL parameter. So this is the response from that. So this is your mocking endpoint tested, and when it is validated, you will get a validation like the client will validate it and client will ask go ahead with the implementation. So for that one you have to, once this is validation is completed, you have to publish your RAML to exchange. Next part of this video we are going to see how to publish RAML to exchange. So for that one we have a button here in the RAML. In the RAML, the root RAML you open, there you will be able to see publish button. For this versioning and this asset version API version, you will understand it by reading project documents, like confluence pages will be available for your project, and there they mention standards to how to follow that versioning. And so project wise it is different. I followed here asset version 1.0.0 and API version is given. This is just one of the standard way, and just publish it to exchange. So when you publish it to exchange, well, take some time to publish. So it will be published as an asset in exchange. So that asset is nothing but you can refer that RAML to create your API in Anypoint Studio. So this is the first step. When we publishing a RAML to exchange, we can refer that RAML from exchange in Anypoint Studio. While so this is my exchange, and this is also considered as the exchange documentation of your API. So this is the one kind of documentation where the specification and other details are there, endpoint details. And here also you can create a like summary of your API. Like you can add here a document as well, more documents for this, for that API. So here if you see endpoints are there, will show what are the endpoints, post method, what is the response there, forget method, what is the response there. So these are the details available in the Exchange documentation. And here also it will show your the version. So this is the latest version, latest stable version issuing. But whenever you are publishing new versions, it will be published as the next version of the RAML in the Exchange. So that is there, and you will be able to refer that. So there is one more thing that is nothing but you can download the RAML from here as well and refer in your Anypod Studio, or you can directly refer by logging into the exchange of in Anypod Studio. There is an option. In my next video, I will show you that how to consume a RAML in Anypod Studio and to create a API. For the time being, we'll stop here and we'll come with the next video for consumption of RAML in Anypod Studio.